Fun to read, Funny Hiva.
Hi guys, today we're gonna read Once Upon a Snowstorm, and it's by Richard Johnson. It's Johnson. Okay. And it's a picture book, so I'm gonna tell the story and you write the pictures. And it's Once Upon a Snowstorm. And it's by Richard Johnson. Okay, now I said it right, didn't I? Okay. Okay, here we can see the dad wood cutting. And the sun and the boy here looking out in the window and the nice snow. And there's like snow everywhere. Here you can see the dad is reading a newspaper and the boy is drawing pictures. And here the boy is done his food. So his dad is gonna take him outside with him today. They're going, it's so hard to see in the snow. It's like snowstorms, like there's different shapes here. Here is the boy. He can't see really because of the snow. And here's the boy holding his dad's hand. And then their hands split apart. Like they're not holding hands anymore. And now the boy is lost. He doesn't know what to do. The boy is here alone. He's frightened. And here the boy is cold, frightened, and laying on the snow. And here is the boy coming to a cave. He's sleeping in here. There's like stars here. And here, there's like animals staring at him. And here there's an owl, a rabbit, I don't know what animal is that. And there's like a wild pig, pigeons. I don't know what's that. It's probably a mouse. I'm not sure what is that. Okay, that's mice, that's a dog, and that's a wolf. I think that's a bear. That's a bear. That's a dog, that's a wolf, that's a raccoon, and that's the boy. Here the bear and the boy are meeting each other. And the boy gave him one of the candies he had. And the bear ate it. The boy and the bear are sleeping together. And they're best friends. And the boy is painting pictures. The boy misses his dad so much. He wants to go back home. And here there's a bunny. And the bear, and he's riding the bear. Here, he's in the snow, and he's still riding the bear. And here, he's climbing with the bear, and here the boy is coming, and this is his dad. I'm just gonna name him a random name, and I'm gonna name him Abdullah, and he's calling him Abdullah, Abdullah, where are you? And I don't know the name of the boy, of course. And the boy is running back to his father. And now they're so happy. And now the dad is so happy. So then the dad is trying to, like, he's holding a gun. So he's gonna shoot the bear, but the boy's like, don't shoot him. So, because he's my friend. So he likes the bear, so the dad's like, okay. So they all meet the bear. Like, the dad meets the bear. And now the animals visit their house. And they live in a happy life again. The end. Okay, I'm gonna say it. Wait.